Hi, my name is Jay Butler. I am the Director of Engineering for Sailite. Today I'm introducing you to the PLY23. What makes these PLY23 unique is our ability to use different types of connectors in different shapes and angles to connect our standard L23 fixture, which is a 2x3 fixture, together into different shapes and different configurations. The L23 comes in standard lengths of 2 foot, 4 foot, 6 foot, and 8 foot. And it also comes in 6 to 10 lumens per watt and is programmable to your specification. The PLY23 series comes with 4 connectors, 8 wire-way covers, 8 M5 screws, 16 number 6 screws, 4 1/4-20 nuts, 4 cable grippers, and 4 wires. The kit also includes 4 PLY series 23 fixtures. We have a beginner, which is characterized by the power cord entering into the back of the fixture. The joiner, which we have 2 joiners here. This will make a square. The joiners connect in series using these jumpers. They just come apart very easily. And then you also have an ender, which is characterized by a blank end cap with no wiring